Looking for a little bit of cute but functional Halloween decor, take a glass lidded jar from the dollar store. This one was $4. I'm going to paint it. It's a pretty slick surface, so I'm going to paint it first in Ultra Grip by Fusion and then in Summer Crush by DIY. Once your paint is dry, seal your paint with the sealer of your choice. You could use any kind of top coat, clear top coat. I'm just using a clear wax. Then we're going to take a little bit of dark wax and we're just going to add it to the creases just to give a little bit of definition. Now we're just going to decorate up our pot. So you can take a little bit of jute and some hot glue and wrap it around the top and add whatever embellishments you would like. And there you go. Cute little pumpkin candy jar.